Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Have you ever experienced issues with your iPad Pro's microphone not working? It can be frustrating, right? But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the troubleshooting solutions to get your iPad Pro microphone back in action. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. We're going to dive into one of the first troubleshooting steps you can take, restarting your iPad Pro. It might seem simple, but it can work wonders in resolving those pesky microphone problems. Restarting your iPad Pro will refresh system settings, clear any minor software glitches, and re-establish connections with hardware components, including the microphone. It's a quick and easy fix that can often get your microphone back to working perfectly. It's time to dive into the second step, which can be a game changer: updating your iPad Pro's software. Updating your software is crucial because it often includes bug fixes, security patches, and compatibility improvements. All of these can directly impact your microphone's performance. Obstructions around your iPad's microphone openings can significantly affect sound quality, causing issues like muffled or unclear audio during FaceTime calls, video recordings, or app usage. Carefully examine your iPad's microphone openings. Using the soft bristle brush or clean toothbrush, gently brush around the microphone openings. Be very delicate to avoid damaging the microphone components. Take the microfiber cloth and gently wipe the area around the microphone openings. Ensure that the cloth is clean and free from dirt or moisture. Gently swipe in a circular motion to remove any remaining debris. Your iPad Pro's microphone is an essential feature for various apps, from voice memos to video calls. Sometimes microphone problems can be app-specific, and that's where checking app permissions comes in handy. If the microphone issue persists in specific apps, go to Settings, Privacy, Microphone, and ensure that the problematic app has the necessary permissions enabled. If not, grant the app access to the microphone. If you've gone through all the troubleshooting steps we've covered so far, and your iPad Pro's microphone is still giving you trouble, it's time to get in touch with the experts at Apple Support. They're experts in resolving Apple device problems and can provide tailored guidance. Thanks for watching. If you found this tip helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech guides. Stay tuned for more solutions to common tech issues.